In this video, I'll show you how to find your wire transfer. Receive details on Crypto.com. First, open the Crypto.com app and go to the Accounts section. From there, tap on your cash account or Fiat Wallet, depending on what it's labeled in your app. This is where you manage deposits and withdrawals using traditional bank transfers. Next, tap Deposit, then select Cash. After that, choose the currency you want to deposit, such as USD, EUR, or another supported currency available in your region. Crypto.com will then display the available bank transfer options for that currency. If wire transfer is supported for your account, you'll see your bank transfer instructions. This screen usually includes the bank name, routing number or SWIFT code, account number, and sometimes a required reference or memo. These are the details you'll use when sending a wire transfer from your bank. You can copy these details directly from the app and paste them into your bank's wire transfer form. Make sure all information is entered exactly as shown, especially the reference or memo if one is required. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.